almost 500 feet deep. It's got massive waterfalls, and Davis is about to head down in the pit.
Yeah, buddy.
See you, Davis.
Woo! That's a long one. Okay, I'll see you guys down there. See ya!
Davis!
Not the fastest, but he's coming down. Nice, Summer.
Ah, it's hot.
Yeah, that's a deep one.
Woo!
Nice.
Burnt my hand.
Yeah, I know, me too. The rope didn't have much friction.
Yeah, it's 10 mil. Off rope! Here comes John, and he looks like Spider-Man
Spider-Man.
in his red suit.
He's coming, he got it.
Oh, it's leaning him back, all his stuff. What's up, Spider-Man?
Spider-Man. So much weight, the brake's not even working.
So this is what it looks like from the bottom.
It's so beautiful.
All right, see you at the bottom. See ya. Going down. Uh-oh, rock.
Oh boy, here we go again.
Not the rocks. I see the bottom. I see Davis. Almost made it. The rope's getting hot. That was fun.
That was amazing. What a pit. Hey yo! You're making it, man.
He's putting the rope pot on the ledge
Aha!
so we don't sever it like we did last time. Almost.
It's a good plan.
Come on, John.
Nice.
We all made it.
We all made it down.
So far.
It turns into this like narrow canyon. Okay. Oh, I barely fit through here.
So yeah, we're gonna pop out into a room and then I'll show you where to go. So there's a couple different ways you can go.
So I think we follow the pink tape. I think that's what Summer said.
Can you hear the thundering?
Oh yeah, I hear some thundering.
Yeah.
For sure. Is that the next pit?
Yeah, yeah,
We're going down a waterfall?
yeah. A big waterfall. How big, I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Oh! Oh! Yeah! We're gonna need a rope for that one. You're crazy for taking me caves like this.
Yeah.
That was insane. Check it out.
So that's the pit we're about to go down.
Where's the boat?
Their bolts are up there, so we're gonna bring it. Yeah, so see, it's kind of out of the waterfall.
Well, we're in for a ride today.
Yes, we are. All right, we'll go down. See you off the bottom.
See you down there.
We're gonna get wet. Woo! I hear more thundering. Must be getting close to a pit.
Let's go for a slip slide.
Yeah, go ahead. Lie down it.
Okay, we'll see ya. Okay, we're sending it down.
Go. Woo!
Oh, I got
Hey,
caught.
fail.
There we go.
Nice. I think I'm gonna get in the water. That was kind of warm. Nice. I mean, it's the only way to go, so.
All over the water. Oh, that's a pit. There's a big pit after this. Big rock over there.
Definitely don't want to fall down that.
No, I thought it was a small little pit.
No, I think we need 80 foot of rope for that.
Oh, crap. Oh, here we go.
Woo! We're getting wet today.
We're getting wet today.
I'm gonna find a knot in the bottom of the rope, but oh well. Yeah, I think we'll be alright. We're good. I think the next pit's shortly after. Well, I got the rope out.
Yeah. Where's the boat? Yeah.
Natural, natural rigging.
Yeah.
We got the bottom.
I need to get this below there. Oh, I'm in the waterfall!
Don't try to squeeze through there because I got stuck last time.
Summer made it. So, is this the last pit?
Yeah.
I hear it rumbling. Oh yeah. It's like 2 waterfalls.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've
Never been down here? Nope. Oh, well, this is the first for both of us then.
Yeah?
Yeah, summer.
Yeah. Woo! Going a little fast on this. Woo! Ah! Oh my gosh! Woo! My contact!
They got flowstoned off. There's a big room down there, but we can't make it.
We'll have to come back with another rope.
Yeah, we need at least one more rope.
Well, I guess we should start climbing out.
Yeah, we gotta start making our way out of this cave.
Climb all these waterfalls. Whew, you made it. Davis! What's up? You're almost there.
So, me and Summer made it up. John is just about to get on rope.
Made it
down there.
out.